There's gold dust everywhere today.
The gold dust be coming from Bono East. They must have found gold over there and is drifting to our village.
Father, do you think it's time to share the secrets of the golden statue with everyone?
Let me see your hands, Abena. Your hands are covered with gold dust, Abena. You have seen something the rest of us were not meant to see so soon.
I apologize, Father, but it was glowing underneath the yam store, and when I uncovered it, looked alive.
You did the right thing to tell me what happened, but we must wait. The village is still rejoicing over the well. Too much wonder may also stir up fear. Its secrets could divide us before they bless us.
Have you seen a golden monkey that escaped a few days ago? If you have any information, please let us know. We need to return the golden monkey to his home in Rwanda.
It's time for our friend Ghanji, the golden monkey, to go back home to Rwanda.